spreading the word about COVID vaccines to people on Fort Wayne's southeast side who've been hit especially hard by the coronavirus. Good evening, everyone, and welcome. I'm Linda Jackson.
And I'm Tom Powell. We're glad you're with us tonight. A coalition of agencies that serve minority citizens is ready to kick off a special vaccination registration week. Fort Wayne's NBC reporter Jeff Newmeyer joins us live with new details. Jeff?
Tom, Linda, health experts will say African Americans, Hispanics, and those of Asian descent living in Fort Wayne, in and around Fort Wayne, have suffered disproportionately from the pandemic. But for a number of reasons, they are also more hesitant to get a COVID-19 shot. Trying to address that situation is the motivation behind Vaccine Registration Week that will launch this Saturday and run through the following Saturday, April 17. Volunteers stationed at food giveaways, apartment complexes and churches, even at barber shops, will distribute information about the vaccines, get people registered on the spot for shots, and try to break down barriers for folks who want to be vaccinated but so far haven't been able to. There will be 30 different opportunities to participate during the week. At vaccine registration locations, there might be language interpretation assistance for those who don't speak English well, or ways to sign up for a ride to a vaccine clinic. Health Visions Midwest says it's not about coercing people into getting shots, but about giving them more choices.
We think there's value in giving them the information. So we've got a flurry of handouts that we have collected from the CDC that we're going to make available to people. And they're going to be able to really get to know what is in those vaccines, okay? What the after effects, the side effects are.
Hopefully it does push people in the right direction to make sure that they do get the information that they need or the resources that they need to be able to register to get vaccinated, or like get hooked up with CTN to get transportation to get vaccinated. But I do hope that this week gets information to the right hands, people to make the right decisions for themselves.
Now, something that kind of illustrates why this campaign materialized. African Americans, for example, make up 12% of Allen County's population, but the health commissioner says they represent only 5.5% of those who've been vaccinated against COVID here in the county. For more information on Vaccine Registration Week, you can call Health Visions Midwest at 745-1600 or go to healthvisionsfw@hvusa.org. Back to you guys.
All right, Jeff, it's all good information to know. Thanks for that live report.